Look at Lillian. Oh boy. Is that fun? Everybody, Judy behind the camera. There's Lillian Louise in her stroller. There is Uncle Bob. And there's Kelly. And we are going to go for a stroll through the woods in the park. So we thought we'd take y'all along with us. I love the stroller. It's got everything I need. I got some little snacks in there for Lillian. I got her some water. Got me a water. Down at the bottom I have all her paperwork with me. So we're good to go. Yeah, we're good to go. And here we go. Alright, I knew I invited Uncle Bob for something.
As long as I'm good for something.
This stroller you don't have to bend over to push, do you?
This thing is smooth.
I know, it is. A smooth ride. So we're heading off into the woods. Alright, we're going off into the woods. We have a trail through here. It's pretty cool. There's Lillian. Come on, Kelly. Alright, here comes Kelly finally. Come on, let's go. I have to put a leash on her if she doesn't stay with us.
You can do better than that. Got that nose working.
Yeah, she does. Alright, let's go, Uncle Bob. Just to let y'all know, this is not my uncle. This is Lillian's uncle. He is a monkey's uncle, and I'm not a monkey. So here we go. Actually, Bob, when I was about 3 years old, my grandpa babysat me. And when my parents came back to get me, he told them, I'd rather babysit a barrel full of monkeys than that little girl. So I guess I am a little monkey. Yeah. Oh, look how pretty this is up here. And when we called her, so we just hooked her to the cart. So now Bob gets to push the cart, the stroller, a monkey and a dog. I've never been through the trails back here. Look, they have a little bench right there. A big drop off right there. That's pretty neat. Lillian's enjoying it. Look at that big old log.
I know, it's an old one.
Look at that. That's pretty cool. You want to let Lillian look at it?
Yeah.
I think I'm going to let her down to play on it.
Yeah. Good looking.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, look at Lillian. She likes that. Now, at home, we don't keep a leash on her. We just let her play and climb trees. But since we're at the park at an unfamiliar place to her, we have a leash on her out here. Just to make sure she doesn't get scared and take off up a big tree that I can't get, that I can't climb. Yay! Is that your Uncle Bob? Huh? You love Uncle Bob. She likes climbing that tree. She loves climbing trees. Whee! Good girl. Here we go. Yay! Look at these interesting looking trees out here. Okay, well, let's keep strolling. Get back in your stroller. Good girl. Okay. If you want to just hold that leash while you're strolling, I think it'd be all right. There we go. Bobby said there's a park around here. Have you seen it? I mean, a little playground. Do you know where he's talking about?
Well, up on top of the hill?
Where we pulled in?
No, on down. There's
really?
another turn in. Way on
Oh,
down
okay. I haven't seen it.
there. Yeah, we can go down there.
Okay.
We'd have to drive.
Okay.
We could walk, but it'd be a long walk.
Okay. She had fun climbing that tree. Kelly's sweating. Are you sweating, Kelly? It's hot, huh? Ooh. Alright, so now we're going into some sort of opening. This is where they play that frisbee game. No water in the creek. Oh, there's a little bit. Looky here, found a pine cone. Let's go take that to Lillian. Lillian, you want a pine cone? There's some pine nuts in there. Remember how Daddy got them for you? Huh? Okay, here we go. And here we are at the little lake that's all dried up nearly. Yep. Cute little bridge. Yeah. Here we go. Looky there, on our way out I found a little feather. Let's give it to Lillian. See what she does. Look, Lillian. The feather. You want it? Yeah. I think she threw it down. No, she still got it. She's wiping her hands on it. She was trying to get it off of her hands. That's what it was. It kept sticking to her. It fell down somewhere.
Another
There
one
it
right
is.
there.
Oh, yeah. Hey, that's a pretty one. Look at that. That's a pretty feather.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that one. That's pretty. Oh, she's trying to throw it down. It won't get off her hand. Was that a donkey? Sounded like a mule or a donkey. Drove up here to this little park area. Basically, the only thing they have in it is a little, what's that thing called that goes around? Carousel? Little carousel thing.
Right.
And some monkey bars. So this little playground is fit for a monkey. You gonna climb the monkey bars? Has a little fence so we can just let Kelly run around in here. Oh, we didn't close that gate, but it's okay. And there's no swings on the swing set. And there's no seesaws on the seesaw. Just some monkey bars and a carousel.
Let's go around.
There we go. She hears some people. Stay with Uncle Bob.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Yeah, let's get on this side because the sun. There we go. Climb on the monkey bars. She says, I'd rather climb on a tree. I'm going to have to take her out tomorrow and just let her play in the trees. I would do tree video for you guys, but I had someone complaining that I did too many tree videos. So if you guys would like to see a tree video with Lillian, be sure to drop me a comment below and let me know. Lillian loves to climb trees. So if y'all want to see me do another tree video with Lillian, just let me know. There we go. Let's see if she'll go on that carousel.
Yeah.
Okay. Lillian is on the carousel. We're going to spin it a little bit, see how she likes it. Whee! Whee! Look at Lillian! Oh boy! Is that fun? She might get dizzy. Oh, she wants off. Okay. Let's let her come back around. Yay! Was that fun? You want to undo her, Uncle Bob? Wrap that around your hand.
It's okay. Come on. Come on. Yeah, it's okay.
There we go.
It's okay.
Alright guys, that's about the extent of the park up here on the hill. So, I think we're going to go ahead and call it a park day. If you guys haven't subscribed to Lillian's channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Don't forget to click on that little bell next to the subscribe button. That is the notification bell. It will notify you every time we upload a new video. And be sure to hit that subscribe button and support Lillian's channel. We do a lot of videos for you guys, and we hope you enjoy them. So let us know by hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to give her a big thumbs up. She did really good, and she had a lot of fun at the park. And remember, if y'all want to see Lillian climb a tree, be sure to drop me a comment below and let me know, and we will do another tree climbing video for you guys. And if not, that's cool too. We'll just do other stuff and have fun. So we hope y'all are having an awesome day today, and we will catch y'all next time. And say bye-bye. She still got her baby. Lillian, you want to say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Kelly, you want to say bye-bye? You want to give everybody a kiss? Bob, you want to say bye?
Bye-bye.
You want to give everybody a kiss? Alright guys, we'll catch y'all next time.